Let's take a start with IELTS speaking part one. Now, your topic is island, and it's a bit unusual topic because students don't go to the island quite a lot. Island is a dry part of land surrounded by water. That is called island.
All
Okay.
right.
So, have you ever been to any island?
I never been to
I have
any.
never been to.
Okay, I have never been to any island, but I wish to go Antarctica. It's a very peaceful and it's a cold place, and I think that it's a nature.
It's the natural place.
Yeah, it's a natural place, and I do think that the one has the capability, the financially and physically he can travel, then one should visit that place.
Okay.
A person can learn.
That's it. That's
Okay.
it. Now your answer is becoming irrelevant because the question is, have you ever been to island? And you are focusing on Antarctic. So that's away from the topic. For example, have you ever been to island? No, I have never been to any island, but I wish to go to any island in Antarctic because Antarctic is my most favorite. It's all snow-capped and all that, and I've heard that there are several islands there. So one day I would love to go there. So to answer your question, until now I have never been to any island, but I'm planning to go there in the future. Right, like this. Okay, let's go on. Are there any islands in your country?
I don't have any information geography.
Now, give a full answer. I don't have any information about that. I think there can be a couple of islands in Karachi, which is the coastal city, but I have never been there. So, to answer your question, I don't know if there are any islands in my country or not. See, if the answer is negative, you don't know, still give the reasons why you don't know. And they will give you good bench score on that as well, right? Let's go on. Do you want to live on an island?
Yeah, I would live. I would like to live on any island like Antarctica, just for a few months,
Hmm?
and have some experience, life experience, where you through that experience you can learn life lessons.
Okay.
And living alone, learning a lot through your experiences.
Okay, good. Try to connect your ideas and speak in one go fluently, right?
Right.
One last question. What would you like to do if you go to any island?
What would you like? What?
What would you like to do if you go to any island?
All right.
First of all, I would love to do a lot of fishing on an island because I like fish very much. So the first thing I'm going to do that is fishing.
Fishing.
Secondly, I would love to swim there because island is all about water and there'll be water all around. So I would love to do some swimming. And finally, I would love to relax on the island, looking at the ocean and enjoying myself.
Photography as well.
Photography is a very good thing. Yeah, photography, selfie, me, island. Okay, like that. So just come up with more and more ideas and don't take it seriously. Even if you've never been to any island, you know what island is. You've seen some movies or clips and all that. So try to answer like that. Okay, thank you. Let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions about sky.
Sky.
So, do you like to look at the sky?
Yes, most of the time I used to look on the sky.
Used to in present is not appropriate.
Okay.
For example, do you like to look at the sky? Yes, most of the time I love to see the sky or I love to see the beautiful sky. Right? More emphasis on that. So please, do you like to see the sky?
Yes, most of the time I look on the sky and
I
crazy.
look at the sky.
I look at the sky and crazily I started counting the stars and just
All right. So have you counted any stars?
Never
yet?
ever.
How many are they? All right.
just crazily.
Good. All right. Do you like stars?
Yes, I like stars and their brightness actually, and I just imagine what's going on.
What's going on?
What's going on in these celestial bodies, and yes, they are a great part of our universe.
Very good. You used very good words, celestial bodies. So just try to use words like that.
Okay.
Which is a good place to see the stars?
But I think we should choose the highest places in our area. For example, on the top of a hill, we can better observe the stars, and we can sight them easily if we use a microscope
Okay.
at times.
All right. How often do you look at the sky?
I think most of the time, even in a single day, I look at the sky for so many times to check the intensity of sunlight, or you can say to look for the time of the day, what time is going on. Is it a sunset? Sunset is coming, or it's a sunrise.
Good. All right. Overall, your answers are good. Your language is good, but you need to be familiar with these type of topics,
Okay.
and then you should adopt a certain pattern to answer every question. For example, if I asked you a question, do you know anything about stars? You can say, well, I don't have any expert knowledge about stars. I just know few basic things about stars. I just know they have the light from sun and they shine at night. And apart from that, I know some names of the stars, but I don't have any in-depth knowledge about them. So this should be a pattern, and you should patronize your each answer. It'll be better. Your language is good. You're using good vocabulary. Just be familiar with these topics and patronize your answer. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.